Writing for a test is different than the types of writing that you normally do in class. In order to help you with this, we've developed a short process called Quickwrites. Quickwrites is a way for you to learn how to respond quickly to a prompt in a testing situation. For this lesson, a Quickwrite will be a way to start an expository paper or a persuasive paper. The writer will quickly get down a few ideas on paper and then will decide if that paper is worth finishing or not. In other words, the writer has to get down some ideas and then decide, are my ideas strong enough to turn into an actual paper? Because testing situations are timed, each step in the Quickwrite process will also be timed. This is just to make sure that you're writing quickly and that you're teaching yourself how to think quickly in order to respond to a prompt. Here's how it works. First, you will read the prompt and decide on an idea. Only give yourself 2 minutes for this step. Then, in the next 3 minutes, you'll create a thesis statement that responds to that prompt using this idea that you came up with. And then finally, for the next 5 minutes, you create a bulleted list of the ideas that you will write about in your paper. Of course, that bulleted list of ideas has to support your thesis statement. In all, you've spent 10 minutes. So again, you'll think of an idea, you'll write a thesis, and you'll create a bulleted list of ideas that support that thesis. All in all, this entire process will only take you 10 minutes. At the end of that 10 minutes, you can look back and review your work and decide, are these ideas strong enough that they're worth writing about? If not, well, you've only wasted 10 minutes, and you can go back and redo it and come up with a stronger idea, a stronger thesis, and a stronger bulleted list. So let me show you an example of what a Quickwrite will look like when it's finished. In this example, 2 minutes were used to read the prompt carefully and then to think of a clever idea. Then in the next step, 3 minutes were spent on writing a thesis that was focused and interesting. Here's what this student came up with for the thesis. Students in United States schools should be allowed to study abroad for 1 year and have that experience serve as their senior year credit. And then this same student went on to step 3 and created a bulleted list of ideas for that essay, all that responded to the prompt and all that supported the thesis from step number 2. So it looks like this student came up with 4 ideas, and let's read through those. The first one, I will write about the ways in which studying abroad teaches students important lessons about time management, organization, adjusting to new situations, asking for help, and self-awareness. The second point, I'll write about ways that all of the content areas are addressed in this type of study: English, math, social studies, and science. The third bullet, I will tell the reader how this type of study abroad program is common and successful in other countries. And the last bullet, I will write a call to action. For example, parents should contact their state legislators and ask for them to consider allowing students this type of opportunity. In this module and in several upcoming modules, you'll have some opportunities to practice writing Quickwrites. If at any point you're unsure of the directions, just go back and review this presentation again. Okay, good luck.